Everyone thinks the best-selling Adidas running shoes are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Men's Light Racer Adapt 7.0. First up, we have a Men's Light Racer Adapt 7.0. Priced at just $44. These shoes really caught my eye with their stylish slip-on design and the promise of comfort. If you want easy-going sneakers that look good and feel great, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable laces create a snug fit, which is crucial if you're hitting the pavement or just heading out for a casual stroll. The soft textile upper is stretchy and comfortable, making these a breeze to wear all day. Plus, the Cloud Foam midsole provides step-in comfort that's hard to beat. With over 8,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many people agree they are comfortable and stylish. Now, some people complain about them running small. Here's the thing though, if you order a half size up, you should be just fine. A snug fit is important, but it shouldn't be so tight that you can't enjoy your run. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish shoe for everyday wear. Skip this one if you prefer something more structured for serious running. But at this price, they're a great value. Now, if that snug fit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Women's X_PLR Path. Next, let's talk about the Women's X_PLR Path running shoes. At $46, these shoes are designed for everyday comfort and style. If you're after lightweight, breathable options for casual wear, definitely check these out. The mesh upper is a game changer, offering breathability that keeps your feet cool, especially on those warmer days. And the lightweight design makes them perfect for running errands or light jogging. The Cloud Foam midsole gives you that cushy feel with every step, which is just what you need if you're on your feet a lot. Plus, the rubber outsole grips well, ensuring you won't be slipping around. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 3,000 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate the comfort these provide. However, I noticed some reviews mention the sizing being a bit off. While they fit most people well, some had to go through the hassle of returning for a different size. But if you're willing to find the right fit, they could be your go-to shoes. This is perfect for you if you want lightweight shoes ideal for everyday wear. Skip this if you need something more supportive for serious running, but at this price, they offer solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more structured fit. Product number 3, Men's Duramo SL2. Coming in at $49, we have the Men's Duramo SL2 running sneakers. If you're looking for lightweight shoes that feel great on short to mid-distance runs, you'll want to hear about this one. These shoes weigh just 10.3 ounces in a size 9, which is fantastic if you're trying to maintain speed during your runs. The synthetic and textile mesh upper enhances breathability, so your feet won't overheat. The LIGHTMODON cushioning adds a great step-in feel, making each run comfortable without sacrificing responsiveness. Plus, the AdiWear outsole ensures durability, so these should hold up well over time. With 1,400 reviews backing up a 4.5-star rating, you could trust that these have a solid reputation. Now, some folks found the cushioning a bit too soft for their preferences. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys a plush feel while running, these are actually perfect. But if you prefer firmer support, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're training for shorter distances and need something lightweight. Skip this if you're looking for maximum support for long runs, but the value here is really good. Now, if you need something with a more casual vibe, our next pick might be just what you're after. Product number 4, Men's Light Racer Adapt 7.0 Revisit. Next up is another take on the Men's Light Racer Adapt 7.0, available for $41.97. It's essentially the same design we saw earlier, but at a slightly lower price. If you love the look and feel of them, but want to save a few bucks, this is worth your attention. You'll still enjoy the snug, adjustable fit, and that cloud-like cushioning from the Cloud Foam midsole. This version also uses recycled materials, which is a fantastic touch if you care about sustainability. We're talking about comfort and eco-friendliness rolled into one stylish sneaker. The reviews back this up, with a similar 4.5-star rating and a great number of sales. However, the same complaint about sizing applies here too. They tend to run small. If you're aware of that and order accordingly, you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, eco-friendly sneaker for everyday wear. Skip this if you need something more structured for serious runs, but with this price point, it's a steal. Now, if you want something that brings a little more flair to your running game, let's check out our last option. Product number 5, Women's X_PLR Path Revisit. Finally, we have the Women's X_PLR Path again, and this time around, it's available at a great price of $46. If you're interested in comfy, stylish shoes that can double as running shoes and everyday wear, you won't want to miss this. These shoes feature the same breathable mesh upper and soft cushioning you loved earlier. It's lightweight and easy to wear, making them perfect for casual outings or light exercise. The rubber outsole still provides that needed grip, ensuring you won't be slipping around on the pavement. With a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 3,000 reviews, you're in good company. Some users did mention that the sizing was tricky and they needed to adjust their order. But honestly, that's a minor bump in the road compared to the comfort and style you get with these shoes. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile sneaker that's stylish and comfortable. Skip this if you need something more performance-oriented for serious running, but for this price, you really can't go wrong. To wrap it up, we've seen some fantastic options from Adidas. The men's Light Racer Adapt 7.0 offers style and comfort, while the women's X_PLR Path provides breathability for everyday wear. The men's Duramo SL2 gives lightweight support for training, and both versions of the Light Racer Adapt deliver comfort with eco-friendly touches. Choose based on your specific needs, and you can't go wrong with any of these choices.